Imagine a world where everyone had access to a time machine. What if I told you that reality could be rewritten with a simple step into the past or a leap into the future? Get ready to embark on a mind-bending journey as we explore the tantalizing possibilities of a world where time travel is within everyone's reach. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the extraordinary and push the boundaries of what's possible. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mesmerizing concept of universal time travel. Buckle up, because things are about to get intriguing. Act 1, Unraveling the Mysteries. Time travel has fascinated humanity for centuries, but what if it became a reality for everyone? Would we use it for personal gain? To right past wrongs, or to glimpse into the future? The possibilities seem endless, and the implications staggering. Imagine meeting your ancestors face to face, witnessing historical events unfold, or even altering the course of history. But with great power comes great responsibility. How would we navigate the ethical dilemmas and unintended consequences of tampering with the fabric of time? Act 2, The Ripple Effect. As we journey through time, each alteration, no matter how small, could send ripples cascading through history. The tiniest change in the past could have significant repercussions in the present and future. The butterfly effect would be amplified on an unimaginable scale. Would our world become a chaotic web of alternate realities and diverging timelines? Or would there be a master plan that governs the interconnectedness of these timelines, ensuring the stability of the universe? Act 3, A Race Against Time. In a world where time travel is accessible to all, competition would arise. Governments, corporations, and individuals would race to gain an advantage by manipulating time. Time-traveling technology could become the most sought-after and fiercely guarded secret. But who would regulate time travel? How do we prevent malicious use or preserve the integrity of history? These are questions that demand answers as we navigate the uncharted territories of temporal exploration. Act 4, The Future of Humanity. As time travel becomes commonplace, our perception of life and existence would be forever transformed. We would gain insights into the past and future, unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Our understanding of science, philosophy, and even spirituality would be reshaped. Can we uncover profound truths about our origins, the nature of reality, or the destiny of humanity? The journey through time would become the ultimate quest for knowledge and enlightenment. Act 5, The Questions That Remain. And there you have it, a glimpse into the mesmerizing realm of universal time travel. But as we conclude this thought-provoking adventure, we're left with more questions than answers. What would you do if you had access to a time machine? How would it change your life, and what impact would it have on the world? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more mind-expanding content. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the corridors of time. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop seeking the truth that lies beyond the limits of our perception.